back to the Berkeley Chefs channel. I'm Taylor Berkeley, and today we are going to make fried bodi. You see this bean here? This bean is also known as yard bean or snake bean. It's a very long bean. So we're first going to talk about the benefits of yard bean or bodi bean. So let's jump right in. Hi! Oh, hi! So we're gonna talk about the benefits of bodi. Number one, yard bean is good for digestion because it has fiber. Number two, yard bean is good for bone health. Number three, bodi is good for your heart. Number four, yard bean has tons of minerals. Number five, bodi is a good source of antioxidants. Number six, bodi has a good source of vitamin K. Yeah. So that's our benefits of bodi. As you see here, we also drinking this nice cup here. My new mug. Nutritious, smackalicious, tasty, delicious, scrumptious, awesome. Yep, awesome mug here.
My cup, if you're new and you haven't heard of it, it is Elisha B is in the kitchen, because you know my food is finger licking.
You can get these cups at
berkeleychefs.com/getyourgear or scan
this QR code here and take you there. Now back to the video. If you enjoy those benefits, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so they'll know the benefits of bodi. So now we're gonna cut up the bodi. Then we're gonna transfer it into the bowl. Like this. And now, I'll speed it up so you can see it. You may not find bodi in the big box stores like Walmart, Costco, and Superstore in Canada. You can find bodi at West Indian stores, Caribbean stores, and Chinese stores. So we are now going to wash the bodi. And now we are going to start frying the onion and garlic.
A Berkeley Chef interruption.
Hi there! As you know, as a Berkeley Chef, we work hard to make good content for you viewers that you viewers might like. If you enjoy the videos we create, do us a favor and go on over to berkeleychefs.com/getyourgear. You can get this nice cup,
this cup, this
hoodie here. Oh, so nice. This warm hoodie, a backpack, a t-shirt, get an iPhone case, a Berkeley Chefs Tickle My Funny Bones. There's a lot of mugs there. If you buy things from us, it will help support the Berkeley Chef channel and help encourage us to continue
more great content at our Scrumptious.
That's right, scrumptious, nutritious, smackalicious, tasty, delicious, scrumptious, and awesome. So go on over there, get your own gear.
And you'll see more of me in the kitchen making finger-licking food.
If you get some gear, I'll be happy. Or scan this QR code here to take you there. Thank you for your support. Bye. So we're now back in the kitchen with our pot. We're gonna heat it up. And then I'm gonna tell you what we have here. So we have here some onion, some garlic, and some bandania. This leafy herb for your food. Look nice, huh? Okay, so we're gonna drizzle a little olive oil. Well, actually we're gonna pour oil because we're frying bodi. Then we're gonna throw in our onions You hear that? Nice sound. Now we're gonna stir with our spatula. Gonna wait till the onion gets a little golden brown. Now we're gonna throw in our garlic. Then we're gonna throw in our bandania. We're gonna let this fry. Now we're gonna throw in the salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and a teaspoon of cumin. So now we're gonna throw in our bodi. Let that fry. And we're gonna let this cook. So we have our bodi here, and as you know, in this container it's not just bodi, it's also brown rice in here too. So I'm gonna try it out. Enough salt and pepper, nice. It's not too fried up, and the texture is still good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And I'll see you in another video next time.